I've got a piece of cardboard which I've cut with a radius of 4 centimeters, and it's just a 1mm thick piece of cardboard, and I'm using the top metal piece from a coffee tin, and all I'm doing is placing that on top of that, and I'm just using the back of a paintbrush because I don't have a large dotting tool or clay tool. We hold it in place and then we just start going around the circle. I'm just using a small dotting tool to do some embossing around the side. You can do whatever pattern you want. I quite like the swirly ones, so I'm just doing some swirls and dots. And then just go all the way around. I flipped it over so that we can do the embossing on the other side. I've gone all the way around, and now we can just cut that out. So that's what the little tray looks like now that it's all been cut out, and now I can put my little picture and some of the little tiny little glasses like that I made. So my little refreshment tray is completed. If you found this video helpful or you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.